its components. Okay, so first is what is a computer. So computer are the machine that perform some task according to the given instructions. Okay, when we have to give some instructions and according to that we have to find the output. In that case we will use our computer. So computer is a machine and is an electronic machine that can also be helpful in to calculate for the calculation, analyzing your reports. So in various fields it can be used. But today we have to discuss in this chapter about the hardware components. So what are the hardware? So hardware are the physical components of a computer which we can touch and feel. Okay. For example, just like our CPU, that is our keyboard, our monitor screen, the display screen, mouse, joystick, all these are that we can touch is called our hardware. And what is the software? So software is a set of programs which controls the internal operation of a computer and instructs a computer about the what to be done. This is our language of your book. Now, what is the software in general terms? So software is some set of instructions by which we tell the computer what to do. We tell our hardware what to do. Okay, and the software is some piece of code, some instructions grouped together to govern our hardware. So this is our hardware. Now hardware can be divided into two parts. That is the internal and external. So the internal hardware are those hardware systems or the hardware components that we can, the internal ones that we cannot see. This is inside our CPU, for example, a motherboard, a sound card, video card. These are all there in our computer and inside the CPU, inside the processor, just like. But we cannot see them. That is called our internal hardware. So our first internal hardware should be our first internal hardware. So first internal hardware is our motherboard. Now, what is the motherboard? Motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer that holds all the components of the computer. For example, it is having the processor chip, BIOS, memory chip, external storage controllers. Okay, all these things are mounted on a computer. It's on a motherboard. So motherboard is just like one sheet on which all these components are fixed together. Okay, so that is called our motherboard. So motherboard, what is the motherboard? If we say that, so the board is the mother of all the components, where it gets its name. It serves as a single platform to connect all the parts of a computer together. That means it is a one sheet. We can easily write it is a one sheet on which different components, your different components are connected, or to different components are present there. Only simple. Okay, so what is the motherboard in simple language? Motherboard is one sheet in which all the components are built up there, and they perform as they communicate with each other and perform the following task that is given to it. Okay, so in this way this is called our motherboard. So so motherboard is mounted inside the CPU cabinet, and where it is, motherboard is found inside the CPU. We are having the CPU now, so inside it we are having the motherboard, and it connects to the CPU, memory, hard drive, optical drive, video card, sound card, other expansion card by a cable. And all these things that are connected inside the CPU all are connected with the help of the cables. Small cables, bus, like bus cable is there. So in this manner they are connected with each other. Okay, so now all the buses, this is written as all the buses originate from and end up in the terminal. Similarly, all the activities related to the connected devices start and end with the motherboard. So the motherboard is confirm of the, it contains the most important is the processor chip, BIOS, memory chip, external storage controller, this is the video display, sound, expansion slot. These all things are connected on your motherboard. Now our next component is the peripheral component interconnect. What is it? It is the connection between our computer's motherboard and any connected hardware. PCI transmit data and power between a computer and the device, and this is originated by the Intel company 1992. So the PCI serves as the connection between our computer motherboard and any hardware. So it is the we can say it is the interconnection. It shows our interconnection between motherboard, your computer's motherboard, and the hardware that we are going to connect it. Okay, so for example, suppose I'm just using the keyboard. So when I plug in that in our CPU, but how it transforms to the motherboard. So the PCI helps to make the communication between the motherboard, the computer motherboard, and your hardware device. And it is originated by the company Intel in 1992. Clear? Now the next part is our sound card. Now what is the sound card? Now sound card is very simple to know. Sound card is a hardware component that is fixed either in an expansion slot or the motherboard. What does that mean by the expansion slot? Expansion slot is outside the motherboard, but it has some communication, it has some connection and that is connected to the motherboard. So that indirectly, expansion slot indirectly connected with the motherboard, and if it is inside it, then it is directly connected to the motherboard. But the working is the same. What does it work? It controls the input and output of the sound signals. Okay, it controls the input and output of the sound signal. That means the signal that is receiving the sound signals. That is the sound voice. Okay, so it receives and sends audio signal to and from the computer. And to and from the computer means when we can also use our mic to give the sound to. Suppose I am here, I am just recording, so my sound is also recording now. So this is done by a sound card. It is receiving some sound signals. Okay, and from the computer, when we are watching the movies or any other video, in that also we are having the sound. So that sound will be from the computer. So it is all manages with the help of the sound card. So a sound card converts the digital data to sound and vice versa. Now what is the meaning of the digital data? So digital data is that we are using. I am just saying, but the computer does not understand that it's English. It is converted into its form. So in that form, it is converted with the help of the sound card only. And the computer also generates some sound that should not be able to recognize by our human beings, by us. So in that manner, it is also transmitted or to change in our language that is audible to us. Okay, so it enables the